Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. Now we've got the random number generator, I can't talk, up here, and that's because we are doing a drawing. Now, just ignore the part where there's a random number already down here. It's because there is, there's only 232. I just did the Sweet Pea Papers drawing. So there's 232 names. Whoops. Yes, 232 names in the Sweet Pea Paper, in the Junk Journal Tutorial and More drawing, which is what we're doing now. I'm sorry, I keep going back and forth. I just recorded one and now I'm recording this one. And so let me go over the prizes. The third place prize is one digital kit from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. The second place prize is 2 kits, junk journal kits, from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. The first place prize is a physical prize, and it's a junk journal grab bag. So I'm going to grab some stuff and put it in a bag for you and send it to you if you live within the United States. If you don't live in the U.S., I'm sorry I can't mail to you. However, the alternate prize is 3 junk journal kits from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna push this button and we're gonna get a random number between 1 and 232 with no repeats. We're gonna get one number at a time, and these will be our winners. So this is for the third place prize. 109. Let's go on here and let's go to 109. I'm doing this all digital like this time. 109 is Naomi Shaw. She actually won in the other drawing as well. I'm going to fill that and draw lines around it. Oops, let's fill in her name to make it easier to find on the list. Okay, now let's go back over here and let's get another random number. And second place prize goes to number 44. Number 44 is Nan. Oh, I'm just going to ruin this. So I'm going to say Nan Carson. How about that? I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna skip right over that middle last name. Let's make these 2 yellow and put all on. This is a quick course in how to use Excel as well. Did you know that? All right, let's get our last random number. This is for the first place prize, and it goes to number 139. And that is Beha Degree. Now, she won in the last drawing that we had, not in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing for this Cosy Christmas event, but for the last event as well. So that just shows you that if you enter then every time, then you can win every time. Now, I'm not sure if she lives in the U.S. or not, so her prize may be 3 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow and or Nonstop Papercrafts. Okay, all right. So for first place we have Beha, third place we have Naomi, and for second place, I'm looking right at it. Second place, we have Nan. All right, now you're going to have until December 26th at midnight to claim your prize, which is 3 days. And I'm going to put up on the screen what you do. You're either going to message me through Facebook Messenger to Terry S. Lee, or you're going to email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com and tell me that you're one of the winners and you want to claim your prize. Now remember, you have until December 26th at midnight, that's Pacific time, to claim your prize. And if you don't claim it by then, then it's going to be too late. So now I've had a couple of prizes go unclaimed before. One of them was one of the grab bags. And so make sure that you contact me if you're the winner and let me know for the first place prize, of course, whether you're in or out of the U.S. so I know what prize to give you. Okay, well, that's it for this drawing, and I'll see you in the next drawing. That'll be on the 15th of January for our Let's Make It giveaway, which is just for Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and More groups. It's not a collaboration contest. And so I'll see you then on January 15th or January 16th because it ends on the 15th. And so until then, I guess I'll say goodbye.